Can you guys hear me? All right, so I believe you all have shared the live. So let's start solving. So this question we see are very simple. Now one of the past questions, they say me calculate the current. What if the current? See this thing and I'm the current. The indication, see the direction of the current. It means that this current go reach here. It can't divide. They can't come here too. Can't begin the work out, they go like that. Can't terminate here. Meaning say this particular current now like this, it generates from this particular place. So I feel indicate here as positive. This long one as positive. Then this one now be negative terminal. That means current they generate from this particular point, pass through this 1 ohm resistor, pass through this 3 ohm resistor. The work out they go. When you reach this particular place, divide through this 10 ohm resistor and 5 ohm resistor, then come back like this, pass through again, terminate for this place, just like that. So the customer will find this particular current because we know the resistor where they are, we know the voltage where they supply the current, we know all the resistors where they, but we don't know this particular current where they flow through this particular. So what will be the value of the current and what you want to find? It clear, Abi? The explanation clear, Abi? Men are they active to follow me talk now? Follow me talk. All right, so in order for us to get this particular current, it's pretty simple. But then let's talk about this resistor. This resistor and this resistor. Let me say this particular one. Make you give them, say this one an arrow 1. This one at the second resistor. Let me give an arrow 2. So that if I talk about the resistor, each of them, you're going to know what we talk about. Then this particular one now, where they up here, make you give them saying an arrow 3. Arrow 3. Make give this one arrow 4. So I don't number all the resistors so that I could use numbering. They carry the discuss. Now notice say this arrow 1 and arrow 2 they're in series. Then they're in series because the current will flow inside this one and enter this one. It need a divide for here. Because if you hold this particular terminal here and hold this particular terminal, if I expand this thing now, if I expand that, I go see say go there like this. If I expand that, I go there like this. This one now be this 1 ohm resistor, which is the arrow 1. This one now arrow 2, maybe 3 ohms resistor. So you see say this one and this one they in series. Anytime we then they in same line like this, then call them in series. You understand? You understand? You understand? So now, since you understand now, make you focus on these two, get the total resistors for this place. If you get the total resistor for this place, we can't go target this one, get the total resistor. If you get the total resistor where they flow throughout this circuit, now that time we calculate the current. If you no get the total resistor, you no go calculate the current. Now why they take am step by step. So now what you go do now? This R1 and R2 dey in series. Wetin be the formula for serial connection of resistor? Now see am. Resistor in series, the total resistor in series will be equal to R1 plus R2 plus R2. Now be the formula. No forget to. So now, wetin be R1? Now 1 ohms plus R2 now 3 ohms. And if you add everything, the total will be 4 ohms. So I don't get the total resistor in series. The total resistor in series now I get now 4 ohms. Don't forget this answer. Now, this current to the flow, when you get to this point, this junction here, or node, when you get to this point, it go share, it go divide. Because say the same current they go through the same one, like this one and this one no straight. If they divide, enter this one, enter this one, it means say this one they parallel to this one. These ones are in parallel, they are not in series. So that means since R1, R3 and R4 they in parallel, how the parallel connection will be? See be. See the parallel connection. See this one and this one no be the same thing. So this one a parallel connection, where this one are 10 ohms, this one are 5 ohms. So if you want to calculate the total resistor for this particular one, just say arrow parallel, the total resistor parallel connection will be equal to this one. Now to get this one, they get the formula now 1 over inverse of arrow parallel equal to 1 over, remember say here we get them as arrow 3 and arrow 4. So 1 over arrow 3 plus 1 over arrow 4. Two things I want to make a note, we say for serial connection now straight, arrow S equal to arrow 1 plus arrow 2. But for parallel now always inverse of arrow parallel equal to 1 over arrow 3 plus 1 over arrow 4. This one a parallel connection formula. For parallel connection, now we use this one. This one are for serial connection. Serial connection. Resistors in series, resistor in parallel. Note these two formula for resistor in series and parallel. Very important. I hope you are following. Can I continue? Can I continue? Okay, so let's solve. 1 over arrow parallel will be equal to 1 over arrow 3 now waiting. Okay, if you are following, what is our arrow 3? What is the value of our arrow 3? Awesome, 10, you're correct. Arrow 3 is 10 plus 1 over the arrow 4 is 5. So at this point now, what do we need to do? You can use LCM. See the shortcut where they carry do my LCM for exam. So for exams, I they do something like this. I they cross multiply, then multiply this one. If you use that one, or if you use anyhow you want to take do one. The LCM of 10 and 5 now 10. If you used to use that method, do one. But me, the way they like do one, we say 5 times 1 will give me 5 plus 10 times 1 will give me 10 divided by 10 times 5 will give me 50. So I can get 5 plus 10 will give me 15. 15 divided by 50. But if you follow this method, the value will be very, very big for you. It will be very, very big. Because I can ask myself now, should be 10 go fit go inside all of them? I be 5, 9 go fit go. 5 go go. If 5 go into this 15, how many times? 3 times. 5 goes into 50, how many times? 10 times. So I don't get the answer as 3/10. That's the LCM. But remember, we are looking for the total resistor in parallel. So no be inverse of am we dey look. So if I carry this one go up, I will carry this one go up. If I carry ROP go up, so that this one will come down, I go make sure say I carry 10 go up, so that 3 will come down. So what I mean is that ROP divided by 1 equal to 10 divided by 3. Therefore, this ROP could be equal to 10 divided by 3 ohms. Remember, we are not looking for this total resistor. We are looking for the current. Now that we've gotten the total resistor for resistor in series and also in parallel, then we need to add the two resistors together. If you get the total resistance, then if you find the current. How do we get the total resistor? It's simple. You go fit use your formula. RO total will be equal to the total resistor we will get for series and the total one we get for parallel. That means RO total now will be equal to the one of series. What's the value? What is the total resistor we had in series? What is the total resistor we had in series? What is the total resistor we had in series? Please keep sharing this live. If I see and I need to support the live, I will quickly come out to 4. You're correct. 4 plus this other answer we had for parallel connection, which is 10 divided by 3. So with this one now, you can still do your LCM if you want to, which of course we should. So RO total will be equal to, I feel make it over 1, so cross multiply. 4 times 3, 12, plus 1 times 10, 10, divided by 1 times 3, 3. So if you add up this one, it will give you 22 divided by 3 ohms. So this is the value of the total resistor. But remember, what you're looking for is the current. Calculate the current in the circuit. To find the current, you use your Ohm's law. V equal to I arrow. So now you're looking for I, which is the current. Make I the subject of the formula. Shey you know, so you could divide both sides by arrow. And this arrow we're talking about, this arrow total we define. We go divide both sides by arrow total. This one and this one go cancel. I wey the final will be equal to V divided by arrow total. Guys, what is the value of the V given to us? What is the value of V given to us in the equation? Six is correct. So you have 6 divided by this arrow total, we have it as 22/3. Now, if this kind of math they deceive you, they confuse you. If na me now, I go rewrite this one as 6 divided by 22/3. You understand? If you know like am this way, but me I like am like this, so because like this now I go just know say this 3 go come multiply by 6. I'll just do it like this: 6 times 3 divided by 22. But if you do it like this, it's still okay. I now will be equal to 6 times, change the division to times, then flip this one. 3 divided by 22. Now the same thing. You see am? So you can use reduction method or multiply through. But remember, say anything wey they do, your option go there among this one. Your option must not be in decimal when you know see decimal here. So if I want try get this particular one, I go try reduce this thing. 3 and 22 no fit go, but this 6 and this one go. So if you say 2 fit go here, 2 goes into 6, it will be 3. 2 goes into 22, will be 11. And 3 times 3 will give me 9, divided by this 11. Then the unit of current is ampere. So which option is correct? All right, next question. If sine h equal to 5/13, find cos h minus tan h. Oh yeah, everybody start solving. Everybody start solving. If you say you no get idea, just type no idea. You know say get idea, say wait and start solving. Okay, because I see plenty no idea, let's start solving. It's very simple though, but I go give you shortcut. Remember, they do both shortcut and long cut. So what you can do, make sure say they share this life. You want my data for this place, because when I see and they support this life now, we did 50 something, 51. But I say this 51 they drop and they increase because you need they share the life, you need they support, you need they hit the like, the thumbs up. If you know you've not subscribed, subscribe, oh, so you go know when I will come next time. If you begin the drop pass like this, they drop, I don't go off. Oh. Now they say sine h now 5/13. First thing where I want to make you remember, now that thing they call SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. How many of you don't hear about this thing? How many of you don't hear about SOHCAHTOA? Good. So this one are for sine, this one are for cos, this one are for tan. So if sine theta now opposite over hypotenuse, now be this opposite over hypotenuse. That means looking at this sine h 5/13. Guys, what did you say now the opposite? What will be your opposite? What will be your opposite? What will be your opposite? Good, you're correct. So opposite will be 5 and hypotenuse will be 13. Nice one. So let's draw a right angle triangle. Just draw your right angle triangle. Remember that they talk about here as your angle H, that's your theta. Here is 90. Any side facing this 90 is your hypotenuse, and your hypotenuse is 13. That's your hypotenuse. Your opposite is the side that faces this side. Any side where they face this particular angle, now that side be opposite. Here now 5. Now, if you want solve to get this particular place now, you go want go use Pythagoras theorem. Exam, you no get time to use Pythagoras theorem. Just remember, say we get this triangle rule where we get 5, 12, 13. This is one of the triangle rule. We get 3, 4, 5. We get 3, 4, 5. We get 6, 8, 10 or so. You understand? A triangle rule where if I know say I don't get this one, I don't get this one, I go know say the next one or this one. For these things. Like now 5 there. 13. That be this one. Guys, waiting go there. Guys, waiting no say go there. Simple. 12. 12. Even if you solve them, it will give you the same thing. 12 now go there. Now shortcut with that. 12 now go there. Even if they give you 5 years, give you 12 years, just know say the next way go there. Where if they don't give you something, yeah, no say that 13 go there. So in that case, we have cos. We are asking cos theta minus tan theta. Cos h minus tan h. So cos now is adjacent. Look at it. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. That means cos h will give you adjacent over hypotenuse. This is your adjacent 12. Hypotenuse is 13. Then tan h will be opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. Your opposite now this one 5 over adjacent now 12. And the same way you subtract these two things. Cos h minus tan h. That means I will just subtract these two things together. 12 divided by 13 minus 5 divided by 12. Simple. Simple. So in order for me to get this final answer, the LCM of 13 and 12 is to multiply two of them. 13 times 12. You know 13 times 12 times 12 is 144. 12 times 13 is 156. But I know 13 times 13 is 169. So 12 times this one is 156. 13 goes into 156 will be 12 times. And 12 times 12 will be 144. Minus 12 goes into 156 is 13 times. 13 times 5 will be 65. If you do 144 minus 65, it will give you 79. Divided by this one. Is it 136 or 156? Confirm this one, no. 13 times 12. Is it 156 or 136? Guys, use your calculator now. Confirm. 13 times 12. Is it 156 or 136? What is 13 times 12? Good. So this is the final answer. Next question. How many of you are writing JAMB in mathematics? I mean, you're writing mathematics in JAMB or you're writing mathematics in WAEC. Let me know, please. Good. Next question. if k equals m square root of t minus p divided by r, make t the subject formula. Make t the subject formula. If you can solve this, type S. If you cannot solve it, type N. Okay, so let's solve. Now see, you're looking for this t. This t now, root don't cover am. Know how you will carry fetch this t come outside. So because you no go fit fetch and come outside like this because a root cover am, how we wan fight to make sure say we comot this root for this place? Na the first thing we go dey target now. Now as I say m just go there, m no dey do any work, so we go find way comot this m. The best way to comot this m now to divide both sides by m. So you can say k divided by m equal to m root t minus p over r divided by m. So more like I rewrite this question, maybe this one, and divide both sides by m. You understand? You understand? Answer now, answer quick. If you know say you never subscribe to the YouTube channel, just hit that subscribe button. That subscribe button you're seeing, hit it. Just subscribe if you've not subscribed. Do that quickly. If you have subscribed, hit the thumbs up and share the video. Share the live stream to your friends now. Share it to group chat. This k is the same k you're seeing. This m root t minus p over r is the same thing you're seeing here. The only thing I did was to divide both sides by m. Divide both sides by m. I divided this one by m, divided this one because I want to eliminate this m. That's why I divided those sides. This same thing you're seeing is the original question. I only divided both sides by m so that I can cancel these two. Because you can't divide both sides by m on the left, you won't do the same to the right. Anything you do to the left, you must do to the right. Do you understand it now? Is it clear? Talk now, is it clear? Thank God for speaking your mind. If you're just confused now. So this one don't cancel. What is left here? You can't cancel k and m now. They don't resemble. So you know this one and this one has cancelled. What is left is root t minus p divided by r. Now, even though we have done that, did you notice that this root is still there? And without we removing this root, you cannot have access to t. So the next point is to take the square. Because the only thing that can remove root is square. Take the square of both sides. Take the square of both sides. You see, this square I'm applying to the left, I'm still applying to the right. Because it is the square that can be able to remove this square root. So meanwhile, this one means k over m in two places. That's the meaning of this one all squared. I'm breaking everything down so that you understand what is happening. Since square and square root has cancelled, t minus p divided by r is what will remain. You don't see say as it stands like this now, we don't come out square root. T don't open. Wow, t don't open. Like it don't dey open like this now. Like if you pick am anyhow you want pick am, you go dey careful when they pick or make it no go fuck up. Now on the left side, k times k go give you wetin? My wait, men I talk am first. K times K will give you waiting. Everybody, let's go. Talk quick. What is K times K? If you never join my Telegram channel, video full there from June last year. Now I've been the record video. Good. Somebody say K squared. You're correct. K squared. Also, M times M will give you M squared. See your life. You say now 2K. How you be 2K? A K square. Oh. So you see, say this one times this one give us this one. This one times this one give us this one. Yeah, still remain T minus P over arrow. Now remember, wetin the target na T. And this minus P and over arrow wey come dey attached to am, you no go fit just comot T like that. Now the big question now is how can you be able to remove this P here? Take am step by step. The first thing I want to do now, I want to remove this arrow here. If I fit remove this arrow, the next thing to remove minus P no go hard me. So how I want to remove this arrow? To keep am simple, I will just say multiply this whole thing by arrow wey dey down here. Still multiply this whole thing by arrow. Remember, anything we do for right, we will do for left. So yeah, arrow and arrow go cancel. But here, arrow go only multiply the numerator, wey go give us arrow K squared over M squared equal to, as this one and this one cancel, now T minus P go remain. E clear, abi? I dey take am bit by bit, slowly, make everything enter. Now, last point I want to do now. And the last step I want to do now. E clear? And I need to respond to person quick. Why? Respond now. Talk quick now. Good. So now, remember saying that T where we define. We want to remove this minus P. Some people go say, oh yeah, carry this minus P cross this side. It go turn to plus P. Fine, if you want to do it like that. So when I teach you people there, they say add, since the minus there, add P to both sides. So that minus P and plus P go cancel. But make I do the one where no go make you confused. Carry this minus P, carry cross this side. It will change to plus P. Wait till you go the main at T. So here will come become arrow K squared over M squared. If minus P cross equal to come this side, it will change to plus P equal to this T. So therefore, this T we see here like this will be equal to everything here. Arrow K squared over M squared plus P. We don't make this T the subject of the formula. Next question. This one will be useful for people they plan to write WAEC and JAMB. WAEC, this one they always they come. JAMB, it will always come. So everybody will be smart. Everybody will be smart well. So they follow up all these things, because I don't want to make any of a fail for me to spend my time like this. Leave my private class, they come the teacher now for free like this. It means I carry now for mine. Me not learn well though. Don't tell me hold on, no. I dey comot the paper now. If you want this smart here, they snap like screenshot, snap. No go wait. Teacher go wait for you, make they copy. Time no day for that one, no. Time no day. Screenshot to now in the rain for live class, so they need a copy. No be an house with this. Even Sabisha. Next question, chemistry. How many of you do chemistry here? How many people do chemistry here? Man, know whether I will do chemistry or I will leave them. How many people do chemistry? Yeah, talk. Oh. Nobody. No while and I may will leave them. May leave and plenty people need to do chemistry. So this question now past question where I see am, and a lot of students always fail am. I don't know why, but this is no hard now. Determine the oxidation number of H2S2O7. Determine the oxidation number of sulfur. I not complete them. Of sulfur in H2S2O7. Now be the question. Option A, they give us -2. D, they give us 5. C, they give us -8. D, no, C, they give us 6. D, then give us -8. Solution. If you don't ready my solve now, just type ready. This one a B o. If you don't ready my solve and type radio, but see, make I tell them the truth. This week where we dey inside now, I don't dey post series. After this live now, go check my YouTube. You go see say the video I post today, the one I post yesterday, day before yesterday, all of them they talk about this oxidation number, because students don't to complain, give me instructor, I beg do oxidation number, oxidation. So I don't do rule 1 to rule 7. 7 rules we go carry no oxidation number, then come dey solve questions to questions. So from now till Sunday, the oxidation I go cover. So make sure say you go to watch my video for YouTube. No be say they ask you to go watch, whether you no go watch, no watch, people go benefit, but you won't pass these exams. Make sure say you take this thing seriously. All right, so how I want to do this thing now? It is very simple. One of the rules where they quote, by the way, this compound, not only on what they call them, but it's not really that important to name the compound. Now, just to know, what is the oxidation number of hydrogen? The oxidation number of hydrogen, take note of this one. The oxidation number of hydrogen in most cases now +1. In most cases, oxidation number of hydrogen now +1. I don't give you rules for that one. I tell you in the case where we say it be -1. But in this particular compound like this now, the oxidation state of hydrogen now +1. So for hydrogen, the oxidation state is +1. We go multiply by this particular subscript where they are. You go multiply by this particular one. This subscript will be 2. So this one won't give you +2. What of sulfur? Sulfur now they find anything where they find column X. Because if they look for sulfur, column X. So that means since we get subscript of 2, that 2 times X, 2 times X will give us 2X. Oxygen. The oxidation state of oxygen in most cases now -2, except maybe for peroxide also. But now -2 for this oxygen. So if I get -2 times this subscript where there will be 7, that will give us -14. So it means say I go add this one to this one to this one and equate everything to 0, because oxidation at first here I not get any charge here. If I get charge here, maybe -2 minus or 3 minus or something, I for equate them to that particular charge where I get. Rule there for that one where I don't teach too. But as B say no get charge, I go equate everything to 0. That means I need to add these things together. So I will get +2 plus 2x minus 14 equal to 0. So now 2 and 14 go work together because x no there. We will leave this one first. So 2 minus 14, class, what is 2 minus 14? Bring down these two x first. What is 2 minus 14? What is 2 minus 14? At this stage, if you say 2 minus 14 are 12, when you know say they prepare for exams, if they get my time, you say 2 minus 14 are 12. Now, so you want to use small mistake, go face small question where you sabi. When I no do like this now. If you just they show for this thing, use calculator do am. Make small thing no come make you they reduce your mark. Last year, the list of my students wey join class, they join my Telegram class just like 3 weeks to JAMB. The list of them get 216. Why? They join very late? Because you are paying attention to all the detailed instruction I was giving. Then pass. All of them dey year 1 now and they can't register for my year 1 class. Then they still learn. Some of them, the notes what I teach them, they still dey useful to them. Pay attention to these details. They are very useful. So this will give you minus 12 equal to 0. If you carry minus 12 cross go this side, it become plus 12 like this. If you divide both side by 2, because you define x where we solve for, 2 and 2 go cancel. X that will be equal to 12 divided by 2 will give you 6. So that means the oxidation state of sulfur in this compound now plus 6. Which option correct? Which option correct? So since we don't do chemistry, make you do mathematics. Next one will be physics. And I don't share this live stream. I dey answer a question. I don't lock up now. And I don't share my live stream and I don't lock up. You see the why one I dey do abi? You see the why one I dey do? Since now they beg and I mean I share this live. Let me see if I share the live, then go give me one kind something. I know they get money for the share one I want share. Men I share, make other students know say I dey live. Now I be waiting and say men I share and I no agree. Share, I been intend to do this live 2 hours from 9 to 11. So I will just stop at 10 o'clock. Tomorrow na TikTok I dey go do this live. So I will just do it like that so that since and I just one day benefit alone, I don't want to make any other person they join and they enjoy. Now what I go do? I go spend time say my account they solve question for free given a man for pass an exam. Now what I go do be say maybe 10 o'clock reach. I go use the remaining 1 hour, go TikTok, go teach them because the followers I get there, I get 380 like 88 point something thousand followers for TikTok. Facebook now 380 86K or so for Facebook. See you I get massive. I need to go live there. Go to teach those people they support me. It can't be an on our way, and we know we say we plenty here. Still, share life and I don't agree. 10 o'clock reach, I dey switch go TikTok, go teach them. Even though I get 7 person there, they learn, no wahala. Better. What I go do? See the nonsense where this one they talk. I beg, leave followers, teach us now. I no blame you. I know if you like supposed to block yourself. I know they grateful. Person will come they help her now. I know they support the person. No be say I even come dey ask her for money. Share the life, make other students wey know they are aware of these things. Follow, come learn. If they tell me say man they talk about flow, I'm a teacher now. I no go blame you anyways. Why I wan reward no dey heaven? Na my own reward fit to dey heaven. Na you go dey enjoy the earthly reward. But honestly, 10 o'clock I'm going to TikTok to go and teach there. That's the truth. So to solve this one, it's pretty simple. You need to sabi number base. You just focus on this left hand side because of the base we will get here and x. So I will just say, and I'm not even supposed to worry, say I they go TikTok self. The team say as I go TikTok, you just follow me straight, go TikTok, go they learn. You just there, they worry yourself. 1 times x. 1 times this 1 times this x plus this 0 times this x again plus 4 times this x. If you say I got another number, for add to that number times x, still they add just like that, but now here it stop, equal to 68. This last x with there, I go put 0, power of 0. The next x put power of 1. The next x put power of 2. What will be the next thing we're supposed to do? One times x squared, now still x squared. Anything with 0 multiply, now 0. X to the power of 0 now 1. So 4 times 1 will give us 4, equal to this 68. If you carry 4 come this other side, the sign will change. So x squared now will be equal to 68 minus 4. X squared now will be equal to 68 minus 4 give us 64. If you want to get x, you need to take the square of both sides. So that means if I take the square of x squared, if this square they come the right hand side according to quadratic, it will be plus or minus the square root of 64. So this one and this one will cancel. Therefore, x will be equal to plus or minus the square root of 64, now 8. So you can see say plenty people will get 8 for JAMB. Some will get minus 8 for JAMB. People might not even go here. Some will even leave at 64. See am? Even for comment section, please say x equal to 8. There is difference between plus or minus 8 and 8. JAMB no go pity o. Why I need to listen to all this one though? So I be no now. I been to say they need to do that one though. As they don't submit, don't submit. If you never subscribe, hit the subscribe button so anytime I come live again here, I go receive notification. No? Very, very important. Ma do extra 1 math. Ma do 1 math join. Ma do extra 1 math join. This one are for JAMB people. If you prepare for JAMB, keep your eye on this one. A past question. 2x squared, JAMB 2 they like all this y equation. Plus kx minus 14. Then 2 they like all this kind of thing. The 2 they their body. X plus 2 into 2x minus 7. They can say, what is the value of k? They no go give you mass where they no go put plus or minus for option now. If they no put plus or minus, you guys don't go change the equation. We no go result to waiting go need to take the square root of both sides. So yeah, then give us option. No, option A -3, B 5, C 9, D 11. This one say 100 for you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I beg when I no vex, so if I no see your message before you go up, now maybe I need to look the screen with that when I the right question. So let's solve this one real quick. I beg anytime you see this thing for JAMB, no just waste time. No. Use FOIL method. FOIL method. This one multiply by this one. This one multiply by this one. When you finish, use this one multiply by 2 of them too. So it's simple. Still write this one. 2x squared plus kx minus 14 equal to x times 2x. Now waiting. Guys, x times 2x, what would that give us? No good idea. X times 2x will give us 2x squared. X again times -7 give us -7x. Now 2 times 2x will give us waiting 4x. And then 2 times -7 will give us -14. What does this mean? 2x squared plus, follow me up, -14 equal to 2x squared -7x plus 4x. What will be the answer? Everybody, let's go. What would -7x plus 4x give you? If you never subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button immediately. Hit the subscribe button immediately. Good. -3x is correct. -14. Everybody watch. Everybody watch. Keep your eye here. Everybody watch. Keep your eye here. Everybody watch. Keep your eye here. Everybody watch. See, this one is equal to, even if you carry this 2s come here, this 2s squared carry come this side, it will be 2s squared minus 2s squared, it will give you 0. So why would you stress yourself? Just say this one and this one will cancel. Because even if you carry across equal to come this side, or carry this one across equal to go this side, it will give you 0. So cancel immediately. Similarly, -14, if you carry a come here, it will become +14, and -14 plus 14 will give you 0. Even if you carry -14 cross go this side, it will give you +14. So -14 plus 14 will give you 0. So this one and this one too will cancel. Now this guy now they equate. X and x will cancel. Guys, wetin remain? Guys, wetin remain? Guys, wetin remain? Wetin remain? Oh, anything wey remain na the final answer be that. Even at this point, some people they say k na 3. Even at this point, so that means if you get option as 3, if you get option will be 3, some people will click 3. Man, they take care of sign now. Man, they pay attention to sign. No, small sign. Hey, so now na k go remain here equal to wetin remain here na -3. -3 no be same thing as 3. Oh, pay attention to sign. No, pay attention to sign. No, if you know the important, I know for talk am. Oh, some people go sabi something finish, solve well. I just sign now go fuck person up. E no good though. Pay attention to sign. Though. So I have one more question to solve. Should I solve the question on maths or physics or chemistry or biology or English? If you no get me for TikTok, see the name. Oh, Instructor __ like this. Alison. Instructor __ Alison, and my TikTok name is this one. Physics done plenty. If like we no do physics, we just solve only one question for physics. And because na circuit problem, I just take time run am well. So that means we just need to do one physics question before we all move to TikTok. So which topic now we can't do this question now? Which topic I will need to solve this physics question now? I need very lucrative topic. I don't want popular kind of topic. One topic where we say and I know today used to ram. And guys, my advice and I beg, those topic where you don't already get plenty idea about, no be your area of focus for exams be that too. If you carry book, we won't read book. No go read book on wetin you don already sabi. Go focus on wetin you no really sabi. Go try sabi those ones. Carry am add to the ones wey you don sabi. Maybe if you carry book you wan read, na the same topic wey you know say dey sweet you. Now you go still carry. I want make progress. I want make progress. I'm concerned. Like I no be so I read when I need read like that. So I need dey happy when I say and I take the read I need read with a sweet person. You know nice. Some people they say I do for waves. Some people say I do yes na physics now. Some people say I do motion. Some people will say yes, simple harmonic motion. I think I will choose that one. But that one people need to sabi am too. Motion no be children department this thing. People need to sabi that this thing. I do simple harmonic motion. One question. AC circuit, I don't do plenty video now. Go check. I don't do plenty video on my this thing. I don't do plenty video on AC circuit. Maybe leave AC circuit. Maybe if come TikTok, I will do more on AC circuit. Question full for those things. Even though I do till next week, I no go fit still exhaust am. This one now under simple harmonic motion. They say what is the length of a displaced pendulum I don't already begin the solve now. This one I see they type something. And I want let me know say I sabi plenty topic for physics. Me na relax now. Maybe I don't choose now simple harmonic motion we they do. Pendulum bob which passed its lowest point twice every second. Take G equal to 10 meters per second squared and also take pi equal to 3.142. Oh, 10 o'clock don't reach. I'm going. I like keeping to my time. So guys, let's switch to TikTok. I'll see you there. We are still going live this week on YouTube. So keep an eye on my Facebook post and my WhatsApp post and all of those things.